Hey my lovely little readers, it's your Miss D this side. I hope you guys are doing super duper good, eating healthy, staying healthy and reading your favorite books. So today Miss D is back with another lovely read aloud. Do you know what are we reading about today? So we are reading about a tortoise who one day acted very impulsive and he wanted to be fast. Tortoises are really slow, isn't it? So he applied a trick. He wanted to do something so that he can be fast and run fast like his friends. What did he do? We will read about his trick in the book. So today we are going to read the book The Foolish Tortoise. Yes, this is The Foolish Tortoise. The book is written by Richard Buckley and the book is illustrated by our very favorite Eric Carle. So let's get started. The Foolish Tortoise, written by Richard Buckley, illustrated by Eric Carle. A tortoise was tired of being slow. He wanted to get up and go. He took off his large heavy shell. He left it lying where it fell. "Hooray!" he cried. "Now I have been freed. I will see the world at double speed." He was faster, but not express, and his protection was far less. So when he heard a hornet's drone, the tortoise crept beneath a stone. A hungry bird came swooping past. He looked so fierce and flew so fast. The tortoise hid behind some trees and felt quite weak behind the knees. "I do not feel safe. There is too much risk. If only I could be more brisk." He headed for the riverbed. A fish swam up and the tortoise fled. Along his way our hero went and almost had an accident. A snake with open jaws slid near. The tortoise backed away in fear. A hare, a hound and a horse raced by so rapidly they seemed to fly. The tortoise gasped, eyes open wide. "I will never be that quick," he sighed. He wandered on. The sun rose high. "I wish I had more shade," he cried. A sudden thunderstorm rolled in and soaked the tortoise to the skin. The wind rose up and soon the breeze was bending branches in the trees. The tortoise shook. "Now I am cold. I wish I had not been so bold. I think I have lost the urge to roam. I think it is time that I went home. Without my shell, I do not feel right." So when his shell came into sight, he climbed back in and said, "Good night." So my dear children, you have seen how the tortoise compared himself with other animals and decided to be someone who he is actually not. But then later he realized that he is much better as a tortoise. As human beings, we should always celebrate for who we are. And we should always thank God Almighty for making us who we are today. We should always celebrate our unique features and be happy with what we have. I hope you guys really like the read aloud. If so, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to buy a copy of the book, do not forget to check the description box below. I will see you guys in my next video super duper soon. Till then, take care. Bye.